Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Virtual Fonzie here. I hope you're having an amazing day. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to buy a silver plot in the TCG World Metaverse. So stay tuned, it's going to be a good one. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google and type in MetaMask. Once you find this right here, MetaMask, the crypto wallet, Web3 blockchain, you're going to want to download and install the extension, the Chrome extension. And once you do that and you save your word phrase and make an account and everything, you're going to want to change the Ethereum mainnet to the Binance Smart Chain. And I'll put up on the screen right now the exact information you need to add that new network to your MetaMask wallet. Once you have your MetaMask wallet installed and you have the Binance Smart Chain added as a network, you're going to want to go over to TCG World website. The link will be down in the description below. And once you get here, you can just click buy land if you want. Or you can go to marketplace, or you can go to the map. So we'll click buy land. And it brings you to the marketplace page. So right now, only the silvers are on pre-sale for 1 BNB. So you can get Silver North, Silver East, Silver Forest, Silver Farm, and Silver Asia. Recently, the golds got all bought out by massive corporations and companies and large investor groups, so they're no longer for sale. If you want a better idea on which region you should buy a plot in, I'll have a link in the top right of this video where I go over each region in detail and the benefits of each region. So once you figure out which region you want to buy a plot in, you're going to want to buy some BNB. You can do that on any exchange you prefer. I personally use crypto.com. So I would go on my app, crypto.com. I would purchase the BNB and then I would transfer the BNB from that wallet to my MetaMask wallet, which is under your Chrome extension on Google. And once you have it in there, you can, let's say you want a silver farm, you would click silver farm. You would go to buy for 1 BNB. Your MetaMask wallet would pop up on the right hand corner of your screen. You would sign, accept the purchase, and then you own the silver farm. And then you would have to go to your map once you purchase the silver farm. And this allocate button on the far left here, allocation. Once you click that, it's not opening for me here. But once you click this allocation button, a screen would come up like this, a white screen here. And you'll see your silver farm in the side menu here with an allocate, a green allocate button under it. So you would click allocate and then you would go to anywhere in any region on the map. So let's go silver, apply. You can zoom in on any region and all of these are all silver plots for sale. So you can choose anywhere you would want to allocate it. And then once you've allocated your farm, you can go to your profile. You can go to your assets here. Scroll down. And then there'll be an add land token at the bottom right here. And by clicking that, you're adding that land token to your MetaMask wallet, which I highly recommend you do. And then congratulations, you officially own a plot in the TCG World Metaverse. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see everybody in the next one. Peace.